Yo, real quick, right? As you all know, the CT Barber Expo is one of the biggest barber events of the year, right? Now they have the Grammys. I believe this is the third year they're doing the Barber Grammys. Um, and your boy is a nominee. We have voted myself into being a nominee for Rookie of the Year, right? So, with that being said, I'm gonna need your help a little bit. I got the link down below in the description. You click that link, all right? You click it, you vote, you put your email in, right? And they're gonna send you an email to the email that you put in. So don't put in a fake email because you gotta confirm the vote. You put in your email, you confirm your email, then it sends you back to the screen and you click vote, right? It's a few steps, but it don't take long. If it's not in your main inbox, go to your spam. It probably went there, all right? But if we can get voted in to at least be one of the main nominees to be called out while we're there at CT, I think it'll be pretty big, all right? I think it'll be a pretty good thing. I appreciate everyone who supported me so far. Even if you don't vote for me, though, vote for a barber, right? Let's just help the community continue to grow, show that there is support across the board. You know what I'm saying? But vote for your boy. Cuts by Reggie. The link is down below. Click the link. Click it. Click it. Click it. Thank you.
Hell yeah.
How y'all doing? You all right? Everybody good? You're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, all the good stuff. Can I talk to y'all real quick? Just speaking to you just real quick, right? I am a man, first off. And I can admit when I'm wrong. I don't know if I was fully wrong, but I think I was kind of wrong. So, as y'all know, I bought these a little while ago. I shared my views on the packaging and everything, right? And I'm still firm on me not liking this packaging. I don't like it, except for with the 76ers, like I said in my video. This packaging, on the other hand, and it could just be the color wave. It could just be the color wave of me saying, oh, this packaging looks nice. It's still the same, just different color. For some reason, it pops out better. So, a lot of people was like, the black and silver cuts different, cuts better. And they were right. They were right. But with that being said, I pulled these back out to kind of just, get a feel for them, right? And it's just something about this blade on here. Something about that blade. And I think these might have a longer run time. On the box, it says these have 90 minutes. And then on the box, it says these have 90 minutes. And maybe it's a placebo effect on me, right? I wish I would have tried these first. Then that review, we're closed. Then that review of this clipper wouldn't be so bad. So I tried this out. Great clipper. I'm sorry, Oster, and I'm sorry to all the fast feed fans who got on my ass when I was like, I didn't care for them. Now, it's something about these, they don't cut as smooth. Of course, I was saying they don't get hot. They got their run time, come with the charge dock. They fine, they cool. But this, what it say, the cryo, it almost looked like the same blade, just a different color, all right? But as you can see, if it can zoom in a little bit, it says 913.50. This is 913.80. So they're different blades. The teeth is finer on here. it fades a lot better to me. I just believe it just cuts smoother. So I was wrong. I was right, but I was wrong. Is the fast feeds worth the buy? These, yes. I just seen they got blue of these as well. I don't know what the difference is, but I'm not buying another one. I have the maroon one. I have the black and gray. I've been using this like consistently for the past, I've had them a week. So when I first got these, I used them on and off, blah, blah. It was cool. But with this blade, this machine, me learning a little bit more about the inside of it, the running and all that stuff, I'm with this. Hey, we all make mistakes. I've called clippers great and they was terrible. So it happens. I called a clipper bad and it was actually pretty good. All right. So I am changing my opinion, if anyone cares. I am changing my opinion on the fast feeds. This fast feed is a great clipper. Like I've been using this all week long. They got the finer teeth. The only thing different is the blade though. And I think the runtime. They both say 90 minutes, but I promise you I've gotten longer runtime out of this. I wish I had a camera that can run long enough and just watch both of these die together. All right. I am changing my opinion on the fast feeds. I think if you have the chance to get them, you should give them a go. But this one, not this one. With that being said, I'm still looking for the black and silver 76er to give those a go because they are saying that it has a 3-speed versus the burgundy that has 1-speed. And I think the blue ones that I seen, because they got the whole blue set, I think the blue ones have a 3-speed as well, but I don't want the blue of those. I want the black and silver just because I like these so much that I want to keep that wave going. I'm not going to get the trimmer again of any color. I don't really care for the trimmer, but I am happy that I stepped out and tried the fast feed. I got these from Cosmoprof. I think that's the only place. I think Salon Centric and maybe somewhere else is selling them, but I got these from Cosmoprof. So, and the good thing about Cosmo in my area, I don't know if it's like it's everywhere, but in Knoxville, they have same day delivery. I ordered these at like 9 in the morning. Let's say about 8 in the morning. And they was at my shop by 9:30, 9:45. Same day delivery. So that's a good thing as well. But that's me stepping out saying I was wrong. And I apologize to Oster and all the fast feed fans that was sending me very, very nasty DMs. It's not cool, guys. Not cool. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, like, dislike if you want. All the good stuff. We'll be back with another review, tutorial, or something very soon. Very soon. Peace.